I have already prepped my skin with a skincare product, and I have not done any makeup steps yet, and I'm gonna show you how and what product and what steps you can follow. So let's start. First, I'm gonna use this foundation primer. You can really use any primer that addresses your skin needs and concern. Open and enlarged pores, then I suggest you to use something that is skin smoothing and retexturizing texture, such as once you apply it feels silky and velvety and smooth. And if you have more of a lack of hydration, then you can also use a hydrating primer. Or if you feel your skin is more dull and looks so fatigued, then you can also use something that is more rosy or more ivory, skin tone correcting, and a little bit of shimmer and sparkles radiance primer. Today I'm gonna use a hydrating primer as my skin is a little bit more dry today. Smooth over entire face. What does primer do is it actually improves your makeup adherence, prolong your makeup wear, and depends on the primer, it adds extra hydration to the skin, it adds glow, or it mattifies the skin, or it changes the color of your skin tone. There's so many different primers, so choose a foundation primer that addresses your skin needs and your concern. Step 2. For foundation, I'm gonna use just a tiny little bit of foundation. Many people are curious when to apply foundation and concealer, and my suggestion is if you have almost flawless skin, start concealer first and apply foundation next. You get more natural coverage without applying too much product. And if you have something to cover, or if you are blemish prone skin, then I suggest you to use foundation first and concealer next. So you can apply foundation first and even out your tone, and if you need to add on more concealers, then apply concealer on the targeted area. And this way will actually optimize the layer of makeup product, and also it appears to be more natural than applying foundation and concealer in a different way, vice versa. And today I just purchased this new foundation brush from Etude House. This is my first time purchasing such a cheap foundation brush. I usually purchase Makeup Forever or Chanel or MAC, many others, such pro makeup artist friends, more of an artsy side. But I think it's more accessible for anyone who just recently started makeup, and I think this brush is quite a unique shaped brush. So I'm gonna use this brush to apply foundation on my face, and let's see how it works. Okay, and I'm gonna start from the center of my face because most people has redness around the center of the face. I'm gonna start from the nose. This brush is not bad. Go light hand as if you're almost pampering your skin, not so pulling your skin hard, but just lightly glide. And as you can see, I'm actually following the direction of the brush hair, not against the brush hair like this or some other way. It just drag it all the way down, follow the natural brush hair, and if I need to drag it sideways, then I'm gonna go side. My advice is try not to rub your skin with a foundation brush. You'll actually not add more layer, but rubbing it off. Once you start from the center of your face, the perimeter of your face has the least product and the center of your face has the most product. So this is how you actually optimize the layer of makeup. If you apply just one single layer evenly on your entire face, it appears to be you're wearing some sort of mask, which is not so natural and ideal. So I suggest you to apply more thicker on the center and more thinner on the side. And this kind of flat foundation brush, you can really use the bristles and gently pat it into the skin for best adherence. So this is the step for how to apply foundation with a foundation brush. And I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon with another tutorial.